today. Jesus is the same yesterday, today, and forever. But do we understand what that means? We understand, if we read it in the scriptural context of what it is, we find that lots of people that hated Jesus when he was walking this earth, we find the Pharisees, we find the Sadducees, we find all of them who would cast hate onto Jesus and hurt onto Jesus and try to out him and try to penalize and criminalize him and create him as this biggest criminal. But he would always have mercy. He would always have grace. He would always have a forgiving heart. And then we also find that later down the line, in his season of difficulty, when he was walking that road of Calvary and he was nailed onto the cross, we find that as he's nailed onto the cross and he experienced all of that pain and all of that trauma, he still cries out. He remains the same of how he was to how he was on the cross too. He still cried out, "Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do." So yes, our seasons are changing in our lives, but God will always remain true to who God is. God will always remain true to who God is to each of us. All of us have been called children of God, as St. Paul rightly puts it. We are sons and daughters of God, who is our Father, and he remains our Father irrespective of how we had messed up in our own lives, of what we might have done, of where we might have failed, of when we might have fallen short. God remains true to who God is. God is love. God loves us. God is faithful toward us. God still calls us sons and daughters. God is our Father and we are his children.